The next lie and next thing that potentially could keep people broke is basically believing in the idea of a penny earned is a penny saved. Or you've heard us saying, penny saved is a penny earned. First, I don't even know why we even say penny. It's a penny for heaven's sake. Penny, why are we talking about a penny? But think about it this way. We're living in times where the governments are printing money like there is no tomorrow. A penny today in a bank would probably be less than a penny tomorrow. So, for example, if you had $100 in a bank, in less than a year, that $100 would be less than $100. It might be only worth $98. So for every dollar you have in your bank, at least you're losing out on 2 cents every year. Diminishing, is depreciating every year. So rather than saying a penny saved is a penny earned, why don't you convert it to a penny invested could become $100? $1,000 invested could become $100,000. So this whole idea that you gotta save money to become wealthy is a lie. I have never met anyone that saved themselves into millionaire status. Never met anyone that has done that. So we need to move away from that idea of savings and start leaning more towards investing. Is there a risk in that? Of course there is.
The workshop was amazing hearing Collins speak. It really changed my perspective about life and how to go about making money and how to go about providing for my family, as well as giving into generational wealth, which is what he was talking about. Giving into your knowledge that you've learned throughout life, whether it's about making money or helping people. I really felt like it resonated with me. Just hearing a lot of the wisdom that Collins was speaking really helped me and changed my perspective on how to be a better man and how to be a businessman in that sort of sense. So yeah.
But saving your money, that's even got a greater risk to as well. So that's another one. The next one is, I need a degree to be successful. I need a degree to be successful. That's a lie. Now let's understand that we're living in an all new age. We're living in a digital informational age right now. During the time of my fathers, the industrial age, getting a degree made sense. You would have corporations back then would pay for you to go get a degree so you get promoted to management role. During the industrial age, getting a degree had some sort of value back then. That's why your parents would tell you, go get a degree, because they don't want you to end up working in the factory. Because most people back during their times without a degree ended up working in a factory. And not I'm saying there's something wrong with working in a factory, but most parents want a better life for their kids. But unfortunately, the ideas our parents had, my parents had, doesn't really correlate in this current day and age we're in. If employers now in this current economic situation we're in are not paying for you to go get a degree, clearly there isn't that much relevance for it. We're seeing a lot of CEOs, managers, top executive roles where they're not even requiring degrees. They're really just looking at what can you bring to the organization? How can you take us from here to here? How can you improve our profitability? And you could do all this without a degree. So that idea that I need a degree is a failing system, and it's an idea that we all need to disperse very, very quickly and start focusing on results and believing in our abilities.